Can you guess why water drops forms on cool surface and from where drain water comes from air conditioner? The answer is humidity. Humidity. What is this humidity? The amount of water vapor present in unit volume of air is called humidity, right? The amount of water vapor contact with cool surface and condense and turn into liquid state from vapor. This water forms on the surface of the cool water, right? The question is here, we feel more temperature in the presence of humidity, right? In general, assumption is water vapor cools the air but increases the temperature. The answer is the water vapor particles absorbs the heat from the atmosphere, right? And increases the temperature of the particles above the air temperature. Hence, humidity feels more temperature. Thank you.